Please. What are you doing? Please. What are you doing?
Returning the favor to your brother Rico.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Hey, who said about killing? I'm not a killer.
I'm just here. To set you free.
Sorry, Rico. You look like Swiss cheese when they found him.
I'll show them what sacrifice is.